to have his meal. We are not going to wait for elections for seeing that we fulfill our commitment.
Okay.
We have put this in our manifesto, and whatever we have put in our manifesto, I think more than what we have committed, we have given to the people of this country.
Where we are, when I ask this, are you ready with your bill or not?
See, the question is, we move a bill in the parliament, it goes to the standing committee, the standing committee has to finish its deliberation, then it goes back to the government with the recommendations of the standing committee.
Right.
We have to study these recommendations,
Right.
then only the bill is passed in the parliament.
Right.
So, it will take time to complete all the formalities.
Because you know, the finance minister in his budget speech, he very strongly said about it, very firmly said about it, that road bill will be there in this financial year. Do you think that
No,
in
that
this
is what
financial year?
I have told you already what is happening in the parliament. We are committed to many things.
Right, right.
But we have to go through the route of parliament to pass any legislation.
Yeah.
I have also given you the example of the food security bill, which was a priority for everybody.
Yeah, yeah.
Now, for such a bill, we had to resort to this particular route so that the people are not denied of the benefit that they are supposed to derive out of this food security bill.
Okay.
So, there are so many legislations before us which are very important and they need to be passed immediately.
Okay.
But let us keep our fingers crossed.
Okay.
Let us see whether the parliament will be working smoothly. If so, we will be able to get all these legislations through.
Very recently, you have said that Bihar, Orissa, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Northeast, your priority is to build road connectivity over there. It seems that you are focusing yourself into non-UPA states.
Our main purpose is to see that connectivity is there for the whole country.
Right.
Northeast is a priority. I have said that, and we will definitely give priority before the parliament starts. If the parliament starts later, then maybe I'll be able to go in the next 1 week to Northeast. Everybody accuses us always that we only concentrate in states where we are in power.
Okay.
But thank you for this compliment you have given, that we are also not only taking care of the states we are ruling, we are also taking care of the states we are in opposition.
So you are eyeing on the votes of non-UPA
We are
states.
eyeing for the votes all over the country.
Okay.
It is not one state or another state, but this road construction has nothing to do with the election,
Okay.
nor eyeing for the
Right.
votes.
Right.
In lighter humor, we may talk of votes, but the fact is, we are committed to keep up to our targets
Okay.
and see that every state gets its due.
The road and transport highway ministry was not doing well in last financial year or last financial year. Probably that is the reason why you have got this ministry, because you are an organization man.
I have always loved to work for the party,
Yeah.
and I have worked in the party. But way back in 1985, I was parliamentary secretary to the then Prime Minister, Sri Rajiv Gandhi.
Yeah, yeah.
Then Madam Sonia ji, Prime Minister Manmohan Singh ji gave me a chance to work
Yeah.
in the Ministry of Program Implementation and
Yes.
Statistics.
Yes, yes, yes.
Then I had to take up Labour Ministry, I had to take up Youth and Sports, Overseas Ministry. I had chance to work in government.
Yeah. Road transport and highway ministry also. Your timing, you are not a typical 10 to 6 or 9 to 5 man. You work late in the evening also. And there was some tidbits in some newspaper. The officials of your ministry are a bit disturbed because of this.
I have no idea about it. I will go through the report.
It was just tidbit.
Yeah, if I meet people in my office,
Yeah.
I don't think anybody will feel about it.
Yeah.
I don't think. Only if the people disturb others, and it is totally up to them
Right.
whether to meet a visitor or not.
Yeah, true.
Any visitor allowed to go and meet me can meet me.
Right.
He cannot go and meet anybody he wants in the office. And on my floor, I don't think there is any such difficulty.
Yeah.
If it is there, if they bring to my notice, I don't have to sit there. I can sit outside and meet people.
Yeah. You work pretty closely with Sonia Madam and with Rahul ji. What do you think? What kind of organizational person Mr. Rahul Gandhi is?
He is an excellent organization man.
Okay.
First, he studied the entire situation in the country. He went to the grassroots.
Yeah.
And the biggest element in our political activity today, if there is a section, that's the youth,
Yeah.
the students.
Right.
So, first he went to the students. He had interaction with the students, not in one state, all over the country.
Right.
He had interaction with the youth. He organized training for the youth. Training for the youth in the programs that we have for the people in the country.
Right. True.
Now, the biggest problem in the country is poverty, and you have the poverty elevation programs.
Right.
To find out to what extent these programs have reached the people, when Rahulji used to go to a village, he used to go and stay with the people,
Right.
and especially with the weaker sections in the country.
It seems that Rahul Gandhi is 100% perfect. There should be some weakness of Mr. Rahul Gandhi. I would love to know from you.
I don't think Rahulji is having any kind of weakness. It is the confidence with which he is working, and he is giving excellent results.
What do you think about Narendra Modi?
Actually, I don't discuss about others and other parties. I discuss about my party
Right.
and our programs, how to deliver them to the people.
So you are confident that UPA 3 will be a reality?
Definitely it will be a reality, and the things are shaping in such a way that it is adding to the strength of the Congress party and the UPA.
Fernandes Saab, it was really nice talking to you.
Thank you, brother.
In our next episode, we will again come back with a special person. Keep watching Lok Sabha Television.